What's up guys, this is Jomar and welcome to Tutorial by Jomar. In this video, we will discuss the introduction of fraction and how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction and vice versa. So let's start. Ang fraction is part lang siya ng whole. Siya yung nagde-denote ng pagiging part ng isang buo or yung kabuuan ng isang bagay. Say for example, meron tayong isang buong pizza. Tinatin natin yung pizza sa tatlo. Yan. Ibig sabihin, kapag kinain mo yung isang pizza, ibig sabihin, 1/3 ng buong pizza yung nakain mo or yung fraction na kinuha mo. Ang denominator tsaka numerator ay yung part ng fraction. Since nakakain ka ng 1/3 pizza, ang 1 doon is the numerator or yung kinain mo at ang 3 doon ay ang bilang ng slices ng pizza. Next, paano naman pag meron tayong pizza na may mas marami pang slices? So for example, we have 8 slices of pizza. Tapos, 5 doon yung nakain mo. Tingin na gutom ka, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. Kung lahat na to, nakain mo yan, naubos mo yan. So, since 5 yung nakain mo, at 8 yung kabuuan ng pizza, so, 5/8 ng pizza ang nakain mo. Ito yung denominator, ito yung numerator, at ito yung denominator. Yan. Next example. Pag nagsabi si teacher na bring 1/4 piece of bond paper. So, meron tayong isang buong bond paper. Sabi ni teacher ay 1/4 lang. 1/4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa apat na yun, isa lang kukunin natin. So, ito lang yun. Ito yung 1/4 ng bond paper. So, next. Paano naman kapag naglalaro tayo ng patintero? So, takbo ka, at pagdating mo dito, nataya ka bigla. Ilan lahat yung box na travel mo sa buong patintero na field? So, 1, 2, 3. Tatlo lang. Sa kabuuan, meron 8 boxes doon sa patintero na kalsadahan. So, 3/8 lang yung nagawa mo sa patintero. Ayun ang pinaka-basic concept ng fraction. Yung part ng buo or yung ilan yung part na ginamit mo or nakuha mo sa isang buo. We have types of fraction. First, we have the proper fraction. Ang proper fraction, dapat ang numerator ay less than or mas maliit sa denominator. Say for example, we have 1/2, 9/10. Dapat mas maliit yun nasa taas para matawag ng proper fraction. 20/50, mga ganun. 1/100. Next. Bura na rin to. Sige, okay na, huwag na. Next, we have improper. Numerator ay mas malaki sa denominator. So, for example, we have 10/9, 5/3. Sila yung mga improper fraction. Mas malaki yung nasa taas kumpara sa nasa baba. 7/5 is a kind of improper fraction. Meron na akong previous inyo guys about sa less than, sa greater than. Pag nahihirapan kayong tignan yan, tandaan nyo lang na ang less than, so diba, ka-L, so less. Ito naman, parang pa-G, so idugtong nyo lang yan, G is greater than. Ano na siya kasimple. Pag nalilito, pag ito, less than pa L, ito, pag ito, greater than kasi pa G. Okay? So tayo sa next types of fraction, we have the mixed fraction. Ang mixed fraction is combination ng whole number and a proper fraction. Say for example, sabi nga, combination of a proper fraction and a whole number. So, whole number, we have 5/7. Proper fraction, we have 5/7. Whole number, 1, mga ganon. 2, and 5/7, 1/5/7, 10, and 3/4, 1 and 1/2. Those are example of mixed number or mixed fraction. As you all know that improper fraction is convertible to mixed fraction. Same true with mixed fraction is convertible to improper fraction. So ginagawa natin yun in order para mapadali ang pag-add, multiply, subtract, and divide ng mga fractions. Next tayo sa pag-convert ng improper fraction to mixed fraction. So, paano ba siya ginagawa, no? Una, sabi, divide the numerator by the denominator and obtain the quotient and the remainder. Write the fraction as quotient, remainder over the denominator. So, kaya na, ang example natin is 1 and 2/5. So, yung sabihin, ang quotient doon is 1, 2/5. Yung 2 doon yung remainder ng improper fraction. Ito yung denominator ng improper fraction. Ito yung naging quotient ng improper fraction pag divide natin sila. Example tayo. We have 7/5. So, gagawin natin 7 i-divide sa 5. We have 1. 1 times 5 is 5. We have 2. Remainder 2. Ibig sabihin, quotient is 1. Remainder natin is 2. Denominator natin, ito pa rin, ang denominator ng improper fraction. So, we have 1 and 2/5 equals to 7/5. So, 7/5 yung improper fraction and 1 and 2/5 ang kanyang mixed fraction. So, another example, we have 23/5. 23/5. Burin muna natin to. So, we all know na kapag ang 5 ay multiply natin sa 4, we have 20. 23 minus 20 is 3. So, we have 5 times 4 is 20. So, 4 ang magiging quotient nila. Hopefully, nag-gets nyo yun. Again, i-divide na lang natin. 23. Then 5. 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Remainder is 3. So, we have 4 ang quotient nila. Ang remainder natin ay 3. Copy the denominator, we have 5. So, 23/5, ang fraction is 4 and 3/5. 4 and 3/5. So, kung lang siya kadali. So, next, we have, paano naman i-convert yung mixed fraction to improper fraction? We have, multiply the whole number by denominator of the proper fraction and add the results of the numerator of the proper fraction. Ito yung pinaka-formula niya. Whole number times the denominator plus the numerator over the denominator. See, for example, we have 1 and 2/5. So, i-times natin yung whole number tsaka yung denominator. So, we have 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2. Ito yun, the denominator plus 2. We have ang numerator natin is 5 times 1 plus 2. We have 7. And copy the denominator, we have 5. Four and 3/5. So 4 times 5 is 20 plus 3 we have 23 over 5. Again, 5 times 4 is 20. The whole number is 4. Then times 5 is 20. Plus the numerator is 3, 23. Copy the denominator, we have 5, 23 over. Short quiz tayo muna. Convert this improper fraction to mixed fractions. Bigyan ko kayo ng few minutes to solve this one. (28 over 9). Divide natin. So we have 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. So we have 3. So 3 times 9 is 27. Or 28 divide sa 9 is 3. Kasi 9 times 3 is 27. May sukli pa tayong isa. 1 over 9. Hopefully nagets nyo yun. Then we have 35 over 31. So, alam natin na sa 35, meron lang isang 31. So, we have 1. 35 minus 31, we have 4 over the denominator of 31. 4 and 35. Next, we have 226 divided by 25. Sayin natin ng 5, 10, 15. 15 times 15. We have 5, we have 5, 25, 7. Yung copy lang to. Pag 1, we have 5. And 1, 5, 12, 225. 1 lang yun. 226 minus 225, we have 1 over 15. 15 to. 15 yung quotient natin. And then, ang remainder is 1 over the denominator, which is 50. So, answer natin is 15 and 1, 15. Next, 13 over 3. So, madali lang to. 10. Saka 13. Meron lang isang 10 sa 13. Then, ang sukle is 3 over 10. Next, we have 98 over 11. So, 98. Alam natin na 11 times 8 is 88. So, we have 8. 98 minus 88, we have 10. Tapos, copy natin denominator, 11. So, we have 8 and 10 over 11. Hopefully, nag-gets nyo yun. Dito tayo sa conversion of mixed fraction to improper fractions. So, I will give you a few minutes to answer this one. So, okay, let's solve it. 8 and 4 over 7, you have 8. 4 and over 7. Gawin natin, times natin itong dalawa. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 4. We have 60. Over the denominator, 7. The answer is 60 over 7. Next, we have 3 and 3/5. We have 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3, 18. Copy the denominator, we have 5. Answer here is 18 over 5. Okay, let's proceed to number 3. 4 and 1, 9. 9 times 4 is 36. Plus 1 is 37. Over 9. Copy the denominator is 9. So we have 37 over 9. Tip nga rin pala. As early as lang, sana memorize nyo na ang multiplication table hanggang 9 kasi ayun lang yung pinaka-basic din ng mathematics. Aside sa integers is the multiplication table. So next we have 12 and 5 over 9. 12, 5 over 9. We have 12 times 9 natin. 9 times 2 is 18. Carry 1. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 1 is 0. 108 plus 5, we have 111 over 9. So answer dito sa number 4 is 111 over 9. So proceed tayo sa number 3. Sorry, sa number 5. 27 and 3/4. So times natin ang 27 sa 4. 27 times 4. 7 times 4 is 7, 14, 28, 8, 28, 28, 8, 28, 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2, 8, 9, 10. We have 108. Plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. 111. 111, tama. 111 over 4.
That's it for now, and thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel at i-click nyo na rin ang bell button para update kayo sa mga next videos ko. Comment nyo na rin ang mga topics at lesson na gusto ko pang i-discuss. Thank you, God bless, and hopefully makapasa kayo sa exam. Bye for now and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!